All right, so let's talk about this. How much time do you lose by putting out fires? Are you actually delegating correctly? If you're spending a lot of time putting out fires, this is where you start creating systems. Broken systems slow you down. They're going to drain your energy, your profits, and your ability to grow. Next thing I want you to think about is how many opportunities slip through the cracks because you're trying to constantly catch up on lists like this, right? So when you're delegating your systems to somebody, you are going to fill in those gaps that you're finding with a true system so that they have something to go back on. And then how often do you feel like you are the system that's holding everything together? You can't scale chaos, right? You just can't do it. Duct taping solutions and putting the tape on it is not going to fix it. Dumpster delegation is not going to fix it. And I teach that in Delegate to Elevate class. But while we're here right now, the systems that you build are actually going to support your business. They cannot be here. They cannot. They have to be documented, clearly documented, and then placed in a space where everybody knows where they are. And I can teach you to do that digitally or through a binder system, which I actually have that here too, or through a binder system so that your SOPs live inside for your team. Okay? It's probably backwards too when you look at it. But this is why we have to get the information out of our heads and into a system that's a tangible, whether it's physical or tangible item on your like Google Drive that they can access. This is going to move your boat forward faster because you're going to be able to delegate these tasks, but you also have the SOP created for future reference in case you're like, why are they doing that wrong? Because on your feedback loop, you want to check in on them. Why are they doing it wrong? Did we miss a step? Do we need to go back and fix something as the operator, the one putting this together? And sometimes that answer is yes, or we need to update it because something has changed. When you do your check-in, it's going to take just a few minutes. We utilize Slack, the free resource, and I will reach out through Slack and I'll say, what's our system when someone doesn't answer a phone call? And they jump in and they give me the system. If we miss a call, what happens? And say the booking consultant missed the call, but the admin got it. This person knows they don't have to do anything unless it has a voicemail that loops around to their inbox. They know this person answered the call, or it will tell them that they missed a call. So there's a system in place through the phone system. Now, if this person says, I'm answering phone calls, and they are asking questions I cannot answer, I'm not sure what to do. Now we need to create a new system because we just found a flaw to the main system. So I hope that makes sense for you. If I can help you in any way, I'm happy to do a consult call with you for mentorship where I guide you through each step of creating these SOPs and putting them together for your team. And that way you have a system in place.